the 2014 Toyota Prius. With a continuously variable transmission, this vehicle is well equipped. This Toyota features fog lights, power door locks, and power windows. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include heated power mirrors, Bluetooth wireless, and navigation system. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.